What's going on, everybody? Today we have a Toyota Sienna. On this specific engine, typically runs around the 2011 to 2016 engine, the V6. So we're going to do an oil change on it. So the first step we do, pop this up, and yeah, let's go underneath and change the filter and drain the oil. Alright, so this is what the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a 14 millimeter long extension and the Toyota special cup. And that would be a regular 1/2 inch ratchet to tighten it up. This was to break it loose, tighten it up. So let's get to it. Alright, so this is the drain plug. And we're going to take that off and one, the breaker bar, go and switch on off mode. Oh yeah, off mode, baby. Alright, so we're gonna put the drain plug out once it stops leaking, I guess. Alright, so we're gonna put the drain plug back in. So now we're gonna drain completely out. So keep going for a good amount of time. Keep going. Those two. Place the pressure washer. I don't think I have one. Alright, so you're gonna put the crush washer, Toyota crush washer, and drain plug back in. So bam. So it's gonna look. Tighten her back up. Just hand tight. Tight. Or you can torque it with 15 pounds, 22, whatever it is. Torque, crush washer. Next, we're going to take that filter off. So we're going to use our Toyota housing. Make sure these little guards are on the side. Always use the middle one. There we go. And then we're going to do a pull. Ah. Oh yeah, that's tight. There we go. Oh yeah. Ugh. Ugh. We're gonna make a mess. It's alright though. It's gonna make a mess. So we're gonna put the filter into here. We're gonna put the new seal. We're gonna put that right here. Clean the edges out. Put it back there. Yep, there we go. Hand tight. Just kidding. Don't hand tighten that thing. Just kidding. Look at this. Just tighten it up as much as you can. There we go. Do it one more time. There we go. It's all right. So we're good to put some oil in it now. All right, and this one takes 0W20, so we're gonna use Pennzoil. We're gonna fill it right here. Try to be very careful filling it up because it will spill everywhere, trust me. Just happened to me, so. All right. And then we're gonna put the cap back on right here. Let's check the oil. That's right on it. So once we crank it, it's probably gonna go down a little bit, but it'll be all right. It's not gonna hurt it. So crank this baby up, clean this bad boy, and then step into it. Get this customer on its way. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show y'all how to reset y'all's oil lights. So we're gonna go halfway. It's in Spanish. And we're gonna put all these to 0. Trip A, trip B, 0. And then we're gonna go to trip A, and we're gonna cut it off completely. And you're gonna press and hold that and crank it halfway. And when you do, it's gonna show up these little lights flickering. I got one hand, so I can't do it, but it's gonna be flickering. And then it'll just reset from there. And that's it, man. Thanks for watching.